Hello everyone, my name is Diksha Pandey. I am a student in MCA first year. My seminar topic is a Johnson counter. Introduction in Johnson counter. A Johnson counter is a types of synchronization counter with a specific counting pattern. In this case, begin Johnson counter. It operates by the complement output of the last flip-flop feedback into the input of the first flip-flop. What results from these steps is a series of states which form in not circuit of normal ring counter. The Johnson counter can be implemented using n flip-flops to count two distinct states are features that make it better than a ring counter that use in equal number of flip-flops as its service twists the number of states. The counting is used to in application where this number of states then the number of flip-flops. It has can features of self advantage of Johnson counter. The Johnson counter have same number of flip-flop but it can count twist the number of states the ring counter can count. It can be implemented using D and JK flip-flops. Johnson ring counter is used to count the data in its counting loops. Johnson counter is a self-decounting circuit. Disadvantage of Johnson counter. Johnson counter don't count in a binary sequence. In Johnson counter, more number of states remaining until that numbers of states begin. The number of flip-flops needs in one help the number of timing singles. It can be constant of any number of timing sequence. Application of Johnson counter. Johnson counter it use an synchronization decoding counter or divide current. It is use hardware logic designed to create complementation finite state machine. Example ASI and FPG design. The three-stage Johnson counter is used as a three-phase sequence have reaches which patterns. It is used to divide the frequency of the clock signal by using the feedback. Thank you.